Hi, I am Sandeep Suresh Chandragit. My registration number is A040. The name of my school is Madhurao Bhagwat High School, Marathi Medium, Vile Parle East. My district is Mumbai. The name of my topic is Arithmetic Progression. Arithmetic Progression. Observe and explore. Students, what can you observe from these pictures? Yes, there are three pictures. One is of pineapple, second is there is a tower, and third is there is a Christmas tree. These three things follows which thing? Yes, that is nothing but they are following one pattern. Here we are going to study patterns in numbers. Students, consider the following list of numbers. And first one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Second, first, 4, 9, 16 and so on. Third one, 8, 16, 32, 64 and so on. Fourth one, 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. Can you find the next three numbers, means terms, in the first list? Yes, good. They are 11, 13 and 15. Students, can you find the next three terms in the second list? Yes, they are 25, 36, 49. How do you get this? You can find this because there is a specific pattern in each list. What is the relationship between the number in this list? In the first list, you can see every successive number by adding 2, you will get a previous number. In the second list, what you can observe? Yes, first number is the square of 1. Second number is the square of 2. Third number is the square of 3 and so on. What you can find? Because in each there is some relationship between these numbers and this is called a pattern. Yes, in other words, it is called sequence. Define and prove. Sequence. A sequence is a collection, means a list of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule. Let us see the example of sequences. 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and so on. 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. -2, -6, -10 and so on. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6 and so on. Apply and evaluate. Students, for each following sequences, find the next 4 terms. See properly, huh? In first term, there are numbers, let us see. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11 and so on. In second example, 1, 3, 7, 15, 31 and so on. In third example, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30 and so on. In fourth example, 3, 9, 27, 81 and so on. Now let us see the second part of this chapter. Observe and explore. Students, please observe this picture. Which pattern can you see in these pictures? Yes, students. There are the heaps of coins. In first heap, you can see only 2 coins. In second, there are 5 coins. In third, there are 8 coins. In fourth heap, there are 11 coins. And in the fifth one, there are 14 coins. You can see that they are gradually increased by 3 coins. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Is there a relationship between the number of two consecutive heaps of coin? Yes, you can understand properly. Now let us observe some sequences. 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. 7, 4, 1, minus 2 and so on. Can you write the next three in each of these sequences, students? Answer is, in the first sequence, next three terms are 10, 12, 14. Means they are increased by 2. In the second one, there are 17, 20 and 23. While in the third one, there are minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 and so on. How do you get these terms? And is there any relationship? Any two consecutive terms, students? For the first sequence, I already spoken to you that they are 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 and so on. For the second sequence, students, 8 minus 5 there is 3, 11 minus 8 there is 3, 14 minus 11 there is 3. After knowing the first term, we are getting each consecutive term by adding a fixed number to the previous term. Such a type of sequence is called as an arithmetic progression. Yes, arithmetic progression. Let us see the definition of this. That is, define and prove. Let us see. An arithmetic progression means AP. An AP is a sequence in which difference between two consecutive terms is constant, and this difference is denoted by D. Students, the value of D may be positive or may be 0. Apply and evaluate. Let us see the first example. Find the next three terms of the AP, whose first term is 11 and the common difference is 2. Let us see the solution. Here first term A is equal to 11 and difference D is 2. Here T1 is equal to 11, T2 is equal to T1 plus D, that is T2 is equal to 11 plus 2, that is 13, T3 is equal to T2 plus D, that is T3 is equal to 13 plus 2 is equal to 15, T4 is equal to T3 plus D, that is 15 plus 2, that is 17. Thus the next three terms of the AP are 13, 15, 17. Let us see the second example, students. State whether the following sequences in the AP or not. 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. Solution. Here T1 is equal to 1, T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, T3 minus T2 is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Here T3 is equal to, T3 minus T2 is equal to T2 minus T1. This shows that the difference between any two consecutive terms is not constant. Hence, the given sequence is not an arithmetic progression, students. Please note this. Now let us solve these questions. Which of the following list of numbers are arithmetic progression? Please justify. In first example, 1, 3, 6, 10 and so on. In second example, you can see 22, 26, 28, 31 and so on. In third example, there is 3, 6, 12, 24 and so on. In fourth one, minus 10, minus 13, minus 16, minus 19 and so on. Students, let us see these examples carefully. In second question, write the first 5 terms of the following arithmetic progression, where the common difference, that is D, and the first term A is given. In first example, A is 2 and difference D is 2.5. In second example, A is 10 and D is minus 3. In third example, A is 5 and D is 2.